We're back at home on Don Outdoor Adventures. Just got our doubles. We both was out fishing, me and my partner Willie. Got some slabs. Look at that one right there.
Slabs.
28 of them.
Slabs.
Awesome day on the water today.
Slabs.
Yes, sir.
Slabs.
That's how we do it on Don Outdoor Adventures. Perry Lake today. We still in the shallow water again, probably about 10 to 12 foot. And they was over the brush piles again. And like I said, we tore them up. Nice mess of crappie. Nice ones. Big slabs. Yes, sir. All right, we'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures. Catching fish. Winter crappie. Doing it up. We'll see you.